Hello people, and welcome back to my page. To all my subscribers, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and stay up to date with all the coding techniques I've been using with Termux on my Android phone. So what I've basically done is created a website using Termux and Cloudflare, MongoDB, and also I have used AWS S3 bucket to take all the media files. So in our last video we made the subscribe page and I showed you how to set up your root folders, and we went through debugging and setting up AWS and MongoDB and getting those handshakes correct. So I'm going to move on to the project that I was doing, which is the website that I created for music artists to distribute their music through the platform. So with Termux and the handshakes with MongoDB and AWS, I have created this website, and it is exactly like the subscribe website, but it's got more features. So we've got this is MP3 audios. So if I click on this, I've set everything up with NOWPAYMENTS and MongoDB. Shout out to Able Beats. We made a song with your song and with your beat, and High Connections. This is an album, so I've set the coding up so that it can handle albums and single tracks, so that we can, if somebody wants for these tracks. Yeah. Okay, so you can see album on this track here, and you can see this has no album on it. It's a single. Alright, these are the only albums that I've uploaded so far, and this is a new site, so we haven't got any artists that are signed up yet. So you can be the first ones to sign up if you're an artist and you're keen to create. You can name your price, and I'll show you what the artist dashboard looks like. Okay, so that's hip hop genre. We got Temokai. I've built another portal for Temokai where there's no albums yet, because I haven't got any master tracks yet. I'm just loading my father's hard drive to get the master tracks out of there, and then I'll be putting the master tracks up for sale, because he was in a band called Temokai, and I've made them a portal up here. If you want to see what Temokai is all about, you can go to YouTube and just look up this video here. So I've also implemented a YouTube URL embedding code that plays the YouTube interface. So I'll show you how it goes. So when I click the video, it'll bring up the YouTube player. I think it's taking a while because I'm screen recording. There's the YouTube player there. So the rules with the YouTube player: when you add one to your site, Uncle Derek right there, and there's Uncle Craig right there. That's the old Temokai group. That's my ancestry into the music industry. My father and mother used to be in this Temokai group. I've got a picture right here too, I can show you. This is an original picture of the Temokai. This is one of the original pictures. This was printed by Te Rau Press Limited in Gisborne. yeah. So I've entered YouTube Embedder. I've also encoded into the code of Facebook Embedder as well, so I can share Facebook videos. So I normally just use YouTube or Facebook. I put it on there for promotion purposes, if you want to promote your music, but it has to come through the admin and get approved as first. So okay, what I'm going to show you next is, oh, hold on, I'm just going to pause it. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so I was going to show you, this is my gospel page. Then I'm going to just exclusively share my gospel music that I sing out on the streets through acoustic guitar. So I've made a Waiatakaitiaki gospel page. It explains what Waiatakaitiaki is and the history of Waiatakaitiaki. And I've got no frequencies in there yet. I haven't shared anything there yet. I haven't had an opportunity to record some master tracks using an acoustic guitar because all my recording equipment has gone missing, and I'm just trying to upload some. I'm trying to connect some now. Okay, so we got an artist login, we got an artist join. So when you join up, I've created this page. So this is the foundation. The foundation was what I showed you in those other videos, part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is part 7. And all you have to do after you've got the foundation all sussed out, just subscribe, watch those videos on how I created the foundations, and then all you got to do is ask AI how to implement all these things into your code. So it's as simple as that, and you just got to have a coding understanding as well. Pray for understanding for coding. I've been coding for might be 7 years now, and while I've been coding, I've been praying for understanding so I can learn how to code properly, because nothing comes easy when you're trying to code. It is very hard. It is very hard. Not unless you got a super intelligent brain. You were born with a brain that just instantly gives you the knowledge on how to code. So I'm going to pause it and log into the artist dashboard. Just bear with me. So you can't see my login passwords. And here we are on the artist dashboard. So on the artist dashboard, I've entered all of these things in for this function to work. You can upload your MP3 waves and name your own price. If you want an album, you put an album name. Whatever the album name is, you just click. You have to choose a cover art photo and a master track. I've got something that's called FFmpeg that clips my tracks to 30 seconds for 30-second previews and sends the master track to AWS. And upon purchase, the master tracks gets released onto the screen, and you only have a limited amount of time for the buyer to download the track. And it is all secure through video files. You cannot implement malware or any virus code or anything, so it's all secure. Just make sure nobody's got your IP address, because if they have your IP address, they can hack into your computer. Yeah. But this is safe and secure anyway. So before you upload your track or finish and close the vault for your single, you got to click this box here, which is the terms and conditions. So the terms and conditions of the site, I've put up another HTML page when they click on the terms and conditions page, it goes to this HTML page, the terms and conditions, full policies, legal agreements, terms and conditions, privacy and deep earth security, no refund policy, copyright infringement, and if there's any copyright infringements, they can email waiatakaitiaki.legal@gmail.com. Oh, that's got to be changed. It's supposed to be shanebiddle@waiatakaitiaki.com. I've got to change that. That's the wrong information. Yep, I've got to change that right away. Okay, so I'm going to log out of the artist dashboard. There's the artist dashboard there. I forgot to show you one feature, but I'll show you that on the admin dashboard. I'll just pause it so that I can get into the admin dashboard. And here we are on the admin dashboard. Okay, admin dashboard's nothing special. It just handles the track IDs and it handles the data usage from MongoDB and AWS. So, okay, so as you can see, I can deep purge tracks. What purge means is when I push that button, it's going to delete all the track ID, the user ID, not the user ID, I can't see the user ID, it goes to a secure place, but it's all set up in the coding so that it's like that, so that it's all secure and nobody can see any information for people that sign up. So when you push purge, the purge button deletes all the data out of AWS, all the media files like the MP3 tracks, or I disabled MP4 by the way on this, so you can't upload MP4s. The only way you can upload MP4s on this is through the ads, because I've put an ad section there which I'll show you later, but that's what I can do. I can search up. I've asked AI to help me put in a search IDs and search tracks, search artists, search tracks, and then it'll just come up with the tracks right under here. So if it's breaching the terms and conditions, which I've got to watch out for as well, or if it's a copyright issue, infringement, if I get an infringement notice about a song, I can just push that red button and it just deletes all the data of that song out of the site. Okay, that's what I had to set up. So I told you I was going to show you another feature which is on all the platforms, the artist platform. So this platform is exactly the same as the artist platform, but it comes from the admin. And what I forgot to show you is that this section here, standard audio MP3 wave, those are the files that you want to upload and put a price to and sell your music out there. So YouTube, physical, you can put your YouTube link in here. You got to make sure you select a genre, a faith, action, drama, plays, cartoon, te mokai, Waiatakaitiaki, hip hop, reggae, acoustic, all of that stuff. I'm just going to push Waiatakaitiaki to get out. And then you got to upload a cover photo for your YouTube link, and it's got to match the YouTube video. Whatever the YouTube video is, you got to match the name with the track video title. You got to put the artist's name, whoever uploaded the track, you got to put their name there. Otherwise it'll just get deleted off the site. Yep, and those are the security and infringements, copyright terms and conditions. So there we have it, the dashboard's done. and I've created all of these HTML pages of the foundation that I have showed you in the last 6 videos I shared. Number 1 and 2 does not have part 1 and 2, but it starts from part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, but 1 and 2, those are important to watch as well. But it doesn't have part 1 and 2, so you're going to have to find them. What else do I got to show you what you can create on this thing? So I'm going to log out of the admin page now, and I'm going to put up sponsor ads. So these ads will show up on the main page, or the ads will just pop up on the screen for about 30 seconds or something, and then show an ad. Gotta give your ad description, but for the ads I've made it like $50 a month, so your ad stays on there for a month for $50, and it goes for approval because you got to follow the terms and conditions here as well. Advertising terms and conditions, not allow bad language on there, nudity or anything like that, just the basic terms and conditions that will breach the Human Rights Acts and all the video acts. So there you have it, guys. This is part 7, and I've just showed you what you can create on the HTML front end side of things. You will have to rechange a bit of back end while you're doing this, because connections, some of the script connections look for data or scripts inside the JS files, so sometimes AI will direct you to change those things as well. And if you change anything in the back end, you always got to rerun your server where you're running your server. So right now I'll be running my server on render, and I'm running my front end on GitHub, and Cloudflare is just executing all the code to my main domain. Okay, so it only costed $10 for my own domain, and it's free to run the site everywhere else. This is all free. All I had to pay for was to run the site was $10 for my own domain. Okay, now I actually invested in Pro AI as well, which was 37 New Zealand dollars, and investing in Pro AI is the thing to do, because you do not want to try and code with the fast AI or the thinking AI, because they do not know what they're doing when it comes to coding. So I'm going to show you the purchase side of things now, and this is the technical coding. This can get very technical, is what I'm trying to say. So you see that is for $5 NZ. You can pay secure. I've set up 2 payment methods, is with Stripe and with NOWPAYMENTS. NOWPAYMENTS is cryptocurrency. Stripe is Visa, worldwide visas. So if I go push pay with a secure Visa card, please, and then it will take me straight to a secure portal that comes straight from a trusted organization that handles card payments, and it's fully secure. It's probably taking a while because I'm video cameraing, and it's probably not going to load because, it is going to load. I thought it was going to block me up because I got the screen recorder going off. So here we go, you got master frequency. So instead of the 30-second track, you'll get the whole song track. And once you purchase the full track, it'll take you back to an HTML page. Successfully purchased. Download it now. You got 5 minutes to download it. Okay, so if you do try and purchase a track, just know that it's only 5-minute window to download your track. You only get 2 times to try and download it. It's got 2 downloads. It'll have 1 out of 2 downloads, 2 out of 2 downloads, and after that you can't download it again. And why I've put that security block there is because once it's on the screen and it's loading on the screen, people can go into the HTML code and they can rip the song off the net. Okay, so you can see that it's already got my payment details there, $5, blah blah blah. Ooh, shall I just show you? Okay, no, I shouldn't show you. I ain't gonna waste any money on my own tracks, alright? Okay. I already tried to test it out with real money, and that's what it does. It works, but yeah, it works successfully. So I've already tested it out, then I had to refund my money, and then I ended up in a bloody negative state in my dashboard, and I didn't know that was going to happen, so I would repay that negative state back for using their services and refunding the money. So okay, so if you got feature artist on there, you got to make sure that you've told your feature artist, or if they see it and they inform themselves by seeing that their name's on there, or if their beat's on there, then you got to leave a contact there for just in case infringement notices come in, and then they tell you, oh, we got artists here that said that their beat or their song's been played on there and they want it shut down. So you get back to them, you ask them for their details, and then you say you want to make a deal. We'll just give you a percentage and then just leave the track on there. And yeah, sort of like that sort of stuff there. That's how the music world works. Okay, but just make sure if you're putting something up for sale that it's 100% yours, it's original, and there's not any bad language in it, because the site condones bad language in the terms and conditions. Basically, we've created this site for gospel hip hop and gospel music, but if there's some good music out there that doesn't even involve gospel, it'll probably be approved and put up on here as well. So that's all I have to show you guys, what you can do after you build the foundation, which I have showed you in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this part 7 was to show you all the features that you can add with their foundation using AI Pro, Termux, and successful handshakes with NOWPAYMENTS, or whatever payment method you want to do. There's other payment methods out there. I didn't show you the crypto one, but that's just a similar thing. I'll show you right now. Okay, I'll show you right now. The crypto one, when you go to buy it, and then you go and click crypto, pay with crypto, and then it'll send you to a secure, decentralized crypto payment method from a trusted, secure, trusted, secure crypto decentralized payments organization. Okay. Alright, so we'll get out of there. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date for more videos that I may share on other things. I've got a lot of things that I've done with coding, like building games. I've built games, but I've also, I can show you how to create a website or an app. Just let me know in the comments let me know in the comments what you think that I should try and build next. Just subscribe, leave in the comments what you think I should build next, and Peace out. Take care, people.